Are you frustrated by the Windows activation error code 0XC004F213? You're not alone. This error opens pop-up when your system can't find a valid product key, especially after hardware changes like replacing a motherboard. But don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through some actionable steps to resolve this issue quickly. First, let's ensure you have the correct product key. If your Windows came pre-installed, the key might be on a sticker on the back of your device or in the original packaging. Alternatively, you can retrieve it using PowerShell. Press Windows plus X and select Windows PowerShell. Type the following command and hit Enter. PowerShell. Copy the product key that appears. Run the activation troubleshooter. If you still faces issue, running the activation troubleshooter can help. Press Win plus R type, MS settings activation and hit OK. Click on troubleshoot to start the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete troubleshooting. Update Windows. Sometimes simply updating Windows can resolve activation errors. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click on Check for updates and install any available updates. Try activating Windows again. Additional tips. Ensure your Windows edition matches your product key. Example, Home versus Pro. Check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for activation. If all else fails, consider contacting Microsoft support for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error code 0C004F213 and get your Windows activated smoothly. Remember, if problems persist, reaching out to Microsoft support is always a good option. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.